Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is electricity unit test paper number 3. So let us answer for the first question. In the previous video we have answered for unit test paper number 2. Now let us move for unit test paper number 3. So the first question is the element used almost exclusively for filaments of incandescent lamps. So filament of incandescent lamps are made up of option D, tungsten. So for the first question, the right option is option D, that is tungsten. Now let us move for question number 2. So in the question number 2 they have given the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to its area of cross section, density, melting point, length. So among these four options, the right option is option D, length. As the length of the conductor increases, resistance also increases. Therefore, the right option is option D, that is length. Now let us move for question number 3. Answer in a sentence each. Name the device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. So to maintain the potential difference across the conductor, we can use cell, battery or power supply. Now let us move for question number 4. So in the question number 4 they have given define 1 watt. So how to define 1 watt? So 1 watt is defined as 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per 1 second. That is, if 1 joule of work is done in, if 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, if 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then the power is said to be, then the power is said to be 1 watt. So this is how to define 1 watt. So now let us move for question number that is third main, question number 5. In the question number 5 they have given draw the circuit diagram for the following: voltmeter, rheostat, battery and cell. So let us write one by one. Let us write the circuit symbol for first one is voltmeter. So for voltmeter, this is the connecting wire. This is voltmeter. This is positive terminal. So this is voltmeter and this is the connecting wire and this is the negative terminal. Then rheostat. Rheostat is also called as variable resistor. So for that one, let us so this is the variable resistance or rheostat. Then the third one is battery. So how to write the battery? So this is the connecting wire, positive terminal, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So if two or more cells are connected, then it is called as battery. Then the last one we have to write the cell. Cell is a single unit. So positive terminal, negative terminal. So single unit is called cell. Then two or more cells are connected, it is called battery. Now let us move for question number 6. In the question number 6 they have given a problem. 100 joules of heat is produced each second in a 4 ohm resistance. Find the potential difference across the resistor. So 100 joules of heat produce ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಡುವೆ in a 4 ohm resistance. Agar we have to calculate what is the potential difference across the resistor. First we should find out the value of I, that is first calculate how much current is flowing. Then after that one we have to find out potential difference. So let us make a list now. So let us move for 6th. So in the data, let us write heat produced is equal to 100 joules. Then each second they have given time is equal to 1 second. Resistance is equal to 4 ohm. Now calculate I. I is equal to question mark. According to Joule's law, H is equal to I square RT. H is 100 is equal to I square, we don't know, into resistance is 4 and time is 1 second. So I square into 4 ones are 4 is equal to 100. So I square is equal to 100 divided by 4. 4 ones are 425. So I is equal to square root of 25. So I is equal to square root of 25 is 5. Therefore current is equal to 5 ampere. So I is equal to 5 ampere. Resistance is equal to 4 ohm. Then potential difference is equal to question mark. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is equal to I is 5 and R is 4. Therefore, potential difference is equal to 5 fours are 20 volts. So like this, we have to calculate the potential difference. Now let us move for question number 7. So in the question number 7, they have given state Joule's law and write its application. So we have to state what is Joule's law and we have to write the applications of Joule's law. So Joule's law, it states that heat produced in a conductor heat produced in a conductor heat produced in a conductor is proportional to square of current resistance and time for which current flows. According to Joule's law, H is equal to I square RT. So what are the applications of Joule's law? So where we are using Joule's law? So applications of Joule's law. So Joule's law is used in electric bulb, then electric iron, electric bulb, electric iron, electric geyser, electric fuse, electric kettle, electric oven. So these are the applications of Joule's law. Now let us move for question number 8. In the question number 8, they have given, so write a note on parallel circuit. So we have to write a note on parallel circuit. So now let us move for question number 8, fourth main. So write a note on parallel circuit. So let us write the note on parallel circuit. First let us write one parallel circuit. So three resistors are connected in parallel. All the three resistors, this is R1, R2 and R3. All the three resistors are connected in parallel. So this is ammeter. This is positive, this is negative. So this is the battery. Positive terminal, negative terminal. This is the switch. Ammeter is connected in series and voltmeter is connected in parallel. So this is the parallel circuit. So let us write what happens in parallel circuit. So voltage will be same. voltage will be same. Voltage will be same at each resistor. Voltage will be same at each resistor. Second point, current will be divided. So current will be divided at each resistor. Current will be divided at each resistor. Total circuit resistance. Total circuit resistance decreases. Total circuit resistance decreases. Therefore, 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So like this we have to write the points regarding parallel circuit. Now let us move for question number 9. In the question number 9 they have given compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuit. A 6 volts battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors and a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. We have to compare the power used. So let us solve this question now. So let us move for question number 9. So in question number 9 they have given R1 is equal to 1 ohm, R2 is equal to 2 ohm, voltage is equal to 6 volts. These two R1 and R2 are connected in series. Therefore RS is equal to R1 plus R2. So RS is equal to R1 is 1 plus R2 is 2. So RS is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 ohm. So now let us calculate the current. I is equal to V by R according to Ohm's law. I is equal to V is 6 by R is 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So current will be equal to 2 ampere. Now we have to calculate. So what we have to calculate is power that is used in the 2 ohm resistor. So we know that current will be same. At R1 if you measure the current it will be 2 ampere. If you measure at R2 it is also 2 ampere. Therefore I is equal to 2 ampere. Then they have given resistance is equal to 2 ohm. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ 2 ಓಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪವರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ P is equal to question mark. So P is equal to I square R. So P is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ನ ತಗೊತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಕರೆಂಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೊ I is equal to 2 I square is 2 square into R is 2. So power is equal to 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8. It is equal to 8 watt. So power is equal to 8 watt. This is how to solve the first question. So in the second question they have given voltage is equal to 4 volts anta kottidane. Iga ನಾವು we have to calculate resistance we have to calculate the power at 2 ohm resistor. Illi R1 and R12 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel anta ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಪಿ. P is equal to question mark. So P is equal to V square by R. That is equal to V square is 4 square by R. So 4 square is 16 by R is 2. 2 ones are 2 eights. Therefore power that is power used in 2 ohm resistor when 12 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel is equal to 8 watt. So like this we have to calculate the power in 2 ohm resistor when 1 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in series and 12 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel. So now let us move for the last question of this paper. The last question is what is ammeter? First question. Second one, compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulomb of charge in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volts. So let us calculate what is the heat generated. First let us answer what is an ammeter. So let us write what is an ammeter. Ammeter is an instrument. Ammeter is an instrument. Ammeter is an instrument used to measure the current. Next, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ Q 96,000 ಕೂಲೂಂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So charge given 96,000 coulomb. Then time is given as 1 hour, which is equal to 3,600 seconds. Q given, T given. Let us find out I. So I is equal to, so current is rate of flow of charges. That is 96,000 divided by 3,600. 2020 cancel aito. Then if I divide by, that is 12, 12 3s are 36, 12 8s are 96, then 0. So current will be, I will be equal to 80 by 3 ampere. This is the current. So now we know what is the current that flowing through the conductor. I is equal to 80 by 3 ampere. Voltage is given as 50 volts. Now let us calculate what is the heat generated. So time is equal to 3,600 hours. Sorry, no, 3,600 seconds. Then we have to calculate what is the heat generated. So in ನಾಲ್ಕಕ್ಕೂ ಇರೋ relation H is equal to V into I into T. So H is equal to V 50 into I 80 by 3 into time. It is equal to 3,600. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0 0. So H is equal to 1 2 3 4. First to let us write 4 zeros. Then 8 5s are 40. 40 ಗೆ 1 0 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ in 4 ಮಿಕ್ತು. In 12 4s are 48. So this much of joules of energy. Unit tens 100,000. So unit tens 100,000, tens of lakh, 10 lakh. 48 lakh joules of heat is generated. So 48 lakhs of heat is generated. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪವರ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 48 into heat generated is equal to 48 into 10 to the power of 5 joules ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೋದು. Or even you can write it as 4.8 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. ಈ ಥರನೂ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು. So what is the heat generated? 4.8 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. So by this we have answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 3. So in the next video we are going to solve unit test paper number 4. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thank you very much.